Hey everyone, welcome to my new video series. I just got a new workstation and I am going to use it for virtual machine, so I decided to install proxmox on it. I was going to get another server, but I couldn't afford what I was trying to do. I was trying to install NVMe drives so I can get 10 gigabyte transfer network speeds because I have a lot of media files, and transferring them through regular hard drive speeds takes forever to transfer video, media and video, stuff like that, through my network. So I bought a workstation because I have a hybrid setup on it. I have NVMe drives for my machines that I need the fastest transfer speeds, and then I have regular NOS drives for virtual machines that can, run slower, than, whatever. So this is gonna be a little series. This is part one, how I install proxmox, and it's just a little quick setup. This is part one of the video. So I'm going to fast forward through this install real quick, but all I did was put proxmox, the ISO. I burned it onto a little, USB device, plugged it in, and then installed it. So I'm not going to talk through this process. I'm just going to fast forward it, let it do its thing. There's tons of videos on how to install proxmox, and again, this is just me showing you how I did it. Alright everybody, so I just installed proxmox, and because of the way I was recording the screen, I was not able to capture audio, so forgive my over voice on that thing. So a CFS pool, so I can start installing virtual machines. So basically, once you log into this thing, you're gonna have to go to disk and then CFS, and then there's not gonna be one, but I'm gonna create one. So create CFS, and I'm just gonna name it storage. That's what I usually name it. And I'm just gonna do RAID Z. Basically, RAID Z is kind of like a one drive can fail scenario, and RAID Z2 is two drives can fail, and etc. So I'm not gonna install like mission critical information here. It's just gonna be basic. I'm going to install my Nextcloud on here, but I already have two backups for my Nextcloud. I have an offsite backup for my, because I store important files on my personal Nextcloud server, like really important files, but I also have a online backup solution just in case something happens here, like a fire or somebody comes in and steals my shit, stuff like that. So again, this will be also for labs, and the reason I'm doing the SSD drives is because I want to do 10 gigabyte transfer speeds, and it's not going to cut it with SAS drives. So yeah, so I'm going to pick these drives here, and I want to do a RAID Z compression. Yeah, I believe that usually it's LZ4, but I'm gonna check on that actually. Okay, so I'm gonna use 13 then for my shift, whatever that's called. Okay, so I'm gonna pick for A shift. I'm gonna pick 13. 12 is good for like SAS drives, and 13 is good for M2 drives and SSDs. So then I'll pick all my 4 1 terabyte SSD drives here, and I'll hit create. And then it's done. 9, and it's done. So that's pretty much it. That's really easy to do, right? That's a quick video. Now if I wanted to create a virtual machine, I would just go up here, hit create on my PVE node, name, I'm gonna do what's the name of that thing? pfSense. Stuff like that. I'm gonna show you that on the next video, but that's it for me. This was a quick one. So please like, I can't even talk. like, share, subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I know I have random videos, but this is pretty much like my vlog channel, and I get into different things all the time. So I promise to kindly entertain you most of the time. Thank you. Love you. Bye.
Please like and subscribe.